there are two methods. For most beginners, I prefer method number one. That's to stick your right hand finger out, index finger, place the pick so it's pointing away from your hand, kind of like you're pointing at somebody, and then place your thumb lightly over it. Now, when you strum the guitar, you're going to aim it at the guitar, which turns your wrist a little bit in, and brush up and down, twisting your wrist slightly. If you don't twist your wrist, it's going to sound harsh. Now, the key here is sometimes the pick will want to slip out. It helps to have a pick that has something a little rough on both sides, like this one. But when you put your thumb over it, another technique that helps is to put a little more pressure on the back part of your thumb as opposed to the front part. So the pick can still wobble, but the back part is kind of holding it steady. It'll take some practice. Method number two is a traditional method. That's to angle your fingers slightly in, put the pick perpendicular to your knuckle, and then place the thumb over it. So when you pick, your wrist is pretty much straight, flush with the guitar. This is particularly useful when you're playing like melody, because you can get into the string more easily, individual strings. But it's a little harder to strum smoothly like this. That's why I prefer beginners to use method number one.